Good morning, everybody. We're here in a little hamlet not too far from Ansião, and I'm going to show you a stone property in need of total renovation, but in a fantastic location, as you can see here. Beautiful views towards the, what would that be? East, I would say. I'm going to come round here. I'm now on a quiet country lane in front of the property, as you can see, and the property starts here. It's the obviously old property on the right that's attached to the quite modern, I think this is a holiday home, to the left, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to show you the outside today. Inside needs everything, more or less, but what a location, and nice footprint as well here. There is one entrance here that I'll go in, and here's a little courtyard. There you can see the start of the property, as mentioned before. Window, door, window, and then there is a dividing stone wall, as you can see here. We'll come out now and go back onto the country lane. This property also has mains water, mains electric, so it's ready for renovation for anybody that wants to take it on and make a beautiful home with wonderful, absolutely wonderful views. Okay, I'll pan round again and then let's go in. Here is the water meter. Okay, up the path we go. And here is that wall, dividing wall from the courtyard that divides the house. On the wall here we have electric. You can see it at the back of the rose bush, and to my right the steps leading up to the house itself. Needs re-roofing, and the inside I can probably show you another day with some photos, but it does need everything, if you see what I mean. Okay, the garden at the front, lovely orange, tangerine maybe, tangerine tree here. The property has a well, and approximately, I would say, 1,400 square metres of land, but that would need to be confirmed. An absolutely wonderful oak, very old oak tree here, as you can see. Okay, let me come round. So this is the property again. Elevated, probably the last property in the hamlet. Okay, let's go around to the side. The land to my right all belongs to the property, as well as quite a substantial amount at the rear. But you will be able to see this on a plan that we can send you. Okay, here a little grassy mound surrounded by old stone walls. Nice views at the rear, and there's that holiday home that I mentioned belonging to the neighbour. The white addition you can see here belongs to the neighbour, and that's attached to the house at the back. So it's a really good area, beautiful views, and ready to renovation. You can contact me on 00351 916 270 953 or email us at the email address at the end of the video. Thank you.